Hi everyone, I'm Amber from Molena Learning, and today I thought I might introduce to you one of my favourite letters in the alphabet. It is, of course, the first letter of the alphabet. Oh, upside down. Maybe you know what this letter is. This is a picture of an apple, and down below I've got some ants. And right here we have apple. Don't know what? I do. There's a big A for apple. That was a green apple, that one. I've got this A for amber. I've got a little red A as well for amber. Now I'm going to say to you that this A makes an sound. But the truth is, this A can make a lot of different sounds. Some are a long a long A sound, and some of them are short like and sometimes they're just something else altogether. And a good example of that is a poem. You might know this poem. It's called P-A-T-A Cake. So we've got, in just this poem, pat a cake, which I think we know. We've got a few different ways to make that sound. A, and A. Let's read the poem. Pat a cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. What? What happened there? Cake as fast as you can. That A, so annoying. At it and prick it and mark it with B and put in the oven for baby and me. So sometimes it's going to be an A sound. Sometimes it's going to be an A sound. Sometimes it's going to be an A sound. The alphabet. So tricky. But for our purposes, we're going to say it's an A. For, whoops, ant, and apple, and it says ant and an apple. To write it, we start at the top. We go down, 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 across. And the little one, we go around and down. I think we might say bye to A today. And I'll introduce you to some other letters or more of the letter A, next time.